Hello and welcome to StarTech Academy, where you will learn something new every day. Today, we are going to talk about a powerful new tool inside ChatGPT which does not just respond, it acts. Imagine telling it, plan a product launch campaign for my new skincare brand. And it actually goes ahead and does the market research, pulls live influencer data, build your content calendar, and even delivers a ready to use PowerPoint and Excel sheet. Sounds like magic? Well, that magic is now called agent mode and it is here. Now, this agent mode is a combination of some previous services that were offered by ChatGPT, which include the deep research, operator, the command line interface that was present in ChatGPT, the image generation part, which had a viral movement this year, and then the file handling parts. All these are collectively put together to create this agent. Now, if we talk about the two major parts of it, these are the deep research part and the operator part. Now, if I give you an information about deep research has been part of ChatGPT for past few months and it is available to all the pro users and plus users. So deep research can dig into web to provide the accurate multiple source answers to complex questions. These complex questions could be like market analysis, product comparison, or trend forecasting. It is ideal for tasks where you need reliable, up-to-date information which is synthesized clearly. Now, if I give you an example, here I'm using the deep research. This is the prompt I have given. I asked ChatGPT to perform the competitive analysis on multiple quick commerce platforms. I wanted it to include the growth, market share, funding history, and all. And finally, I wanted it to recommend me which of these brands is good to partner with. It asked me a few questions, I clarified them, and then it started the research. Now you can see the research was completed in total 13 minutes with 19 sources and 101 searches. Now, here in this research, we are getting all the information about these brands, their user growth, their market share, their funding history, and all the things. And about all the brands, you can see we have Blinkit, Zepto, we have the Big Basket, and all. After that, it has compared all these brands and finally it has given me the recommendation. Now, one thing that you will notice here is that it is also giving me some references. We all know that AI can hallucinate and it can give you wrong information with confidence. But with deep research, this hallucination is reduced and it gives you the reliable sources. So you can visit these links. You can see all these links that are there. All these are reliable sources like Times of India and all. And you can visit these and confirm the information. So this was about the deep research part of ChatGPT. Another tool, the another major part of the agent is operator. Once again, operator is only available to pro users, not to the plus user. So that is one concern. So I cannot show you the example use case of operator, but I can just talk about what operator can do. Now, operator can interact with live websites. It can browse real-time data and perform tasks like extracting reviews, finding influencer stats, and fetching current prices. It is just like a human assistant browsing the web for you. It brings the automation to online research and task execution. So it's kind of giving you a virtual computer and a virtual assistant that is doing the task for you on that computer which was provided. So it will search whatever you have asked. It will go to a, let's say, e-commerce, filter out whatever you're looking for, and then it will give you the output after filtration. So this could be an example of operator. There are not very business friendly use cases of operator, but now with combination of agent, this can become very much useful. Now, if I talk about who can use the agent mode, as of today, which is 31st July, agent mode is available to ChatGPT Pro, ChatGPT Plus, and Teen users, where Pro users will get 400 agent mode messages per month, while the Plus users and the Teen users get 40 per month with additional usage, which is purchasable via the credits. Now, it will also be available to enterprise and education tiers in the coming weeks, but right now, there is no information about them. So if we talk about using the agent mode, here I'll just click on try on ChatGPT. And here to use this agent mode, I'll simply go to tools and I'll simply select agent mode. You can see it says new and I have 38 chats left and new chats will be available on August 27th. Now I can select this agent mode and just provide my prompt, whatever prompt I want. Now it is giving me some suggestions like conduct a calendar audit based on last 6 months, review and prioritize my inbox after vacation, a complete spreadsheet comparing carbon dioxide emission and renewable data. So these are some topics that you can use to just test the agent mode on ChatGPT, but we are going to use a prompt that will test all the parts of the agent mode. So here you can see I have this prompt in here, and I will simply copy this and I'll explain the prompt to you, but we'll explain that in ChatGPT. So here's my prompt. I want the ChatGPT to act as a business assistant and fully plan a product launch campaign for a new herbal skincare brand targeting women age around 25 to 40 in Mumbai and Bangalore. So everything in this prompt is specific, and it is an important part of prompting or using AI tools. The prompt engineering is very important, and your prompt have to be precise and on point. Now, moving forward, I have asked it to perform the following steps. The steps are categorized. Firstly, I wanted to conduct market research on skincare trend, consumer preference, and major competitors in the herbal skincare segment in India. Then I wanted to analyze suitable advertising platform like Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads. Any of these could be my platform. And I wanted to suggest the best channel based on audience targeting, cost per click, and engagement. I wanted to estimate the ad spend and provide a 2 week budget plan broken down by platform and format, which could be reel or ads or stories. I wanted to use the operator to browse websites like G2 and Social Blade on or Instagram and compile a list of 5 7 active micro influencers. I'll just remove this. I just want it on Instagram. All right, websites like Instagram and compile a list of 5 active micro influencers, 10K to 100K followers in Mumbai and Bangalore. Include their usernames, engagement rate, and estimate collaboration rate. Right? Moving forward, create a 2 week content calendar with suggested post types, caption themes, and posting schedules. Output a PowerPoint deck summarizing the campaign plan and an Excel spreadsheet with ad budget. So this is the breakdown of all the tasks that we want the agent to perform. Let's click enter. We have to wait for few minutes. It will take a little time to do all the research and all the operator task, and then it will complete the work. So you can see right now it is thinking, which means it is using the deep research part of the agent mode. So now you can see it is using the operator part. It is searching on web. It is searching herbal skincare trends in India, and it will keep on doing these search. This is the operator part. It has given me this virtual machine. Now if I go to these three dots, I have the option to take over the browser, stop this browser, or move on to the activities. So if I want to take over the browser, for example, I need to log in to some place to provide my email ID and passwords, then I can take over the browser, provide my email ID and password, and then agent will take over again. So these options are available, but right now you can see that this system, this virtual machine is given to me. It is live. You can see the research is ongoing live, and everything is being done by ChatGPT now, and we'll wait for the research to get completed. Now you can see that it is going through the influencers that are available in this beauty market, and it is checking which one might be useful for my ad campaign. So you can see that a lot of task has been done. It's been like 5 to 6 minutes till now, and I'm expecting it to get completed in about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's wait for it. So now you can see that the research is completed. It worked for 16 minutes total, 13 different searches, and 109 different sources were used. Now you can see that we are interested in this output. The market and consumer insight is given. Then the competitor landscape is given. What are the competitors available? And you can see that the market capture of all these competitors is also provided. The platform analysis is also done, and the costing is also done. You can see the Instagram offers the highest engagement. The cost is given, and all the information is there for Facebook also and for Google Ads also. The budget allocation is also done for Instagram 60K, for Facebook 30K, for Google Ads 60K. Then we have the micro influencer strategy. We are going to focus on 6 micro influencers, and you can see the name of these influencers with the handle. And at the end, the content calendar is created and the deliverables are here, in which we have this presentation. You can see the presentation is ready to go. And then we have this Excel spreadsheet, which has the budgets and all. So you can see the final output is completed, and you can see the research took about 16 minutes, which if I had to do it, it would take around 1 or 2 days, because I have to go for multiple sources. I have to read them. I have to figure out the information that I can take. Then I have to note down that information. And then step by step, I have to move on to next step. That definitely going to take about 1 or 2 days. And now I am done and ready to start my business in 16 minutes. Now I can understand how much helpful and how much useful this agent mode can be for small businesses, for startups, and for everyone. So I hope you understand that. So that was all about agent mode, a tool built to perform business tasks from start to finish. So I hope you enjoyed it. For more such amazing content, like, share, and subscribe. That's all in this video.